Student, hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 4, Adobe Photoshop CC. In this chapter we have discussed already what is the Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, and after that what are the component of Adobe Photoshop. So now today we are going to discuss these are contents, selecting tool, rectangular marquee tool, we have discussed lasso tool, quick selection tool, move tool, cropping tool, common painting tool in Photoshop. Today we are going to discuss these topics. So let's see video, student. Lasso tool, the lasso tool is the bunch of 3 very useful tool. Use the free head. Now lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, magic lasso tool. Follow this step. Select the part of the image using the lasso tool. Open any image. Click on the teeny white triangle lasso tool icon. Right click on icon. There are 3 options available. Tool will be appear. Using lasso tool. Select the lasso tool. Choose the selection option from the option bar. Click and drag the mouse around the part of image to be selected. The selection. Okay. Firstly, you see in your picture. Then you use release the mouse at the end point. You will notice the selection as shown the figure. Using polygon lasso tool, it helps to make the freehand selection, but it contour is made. Select the polygonal lasso tool. Specify the option using the option bar. Click on the image at any point near the object to be outlined. Click at the position where you want to first state segment. Keep clicking the set next point of the subsequent segment. Hold the project it outlined. You can see in this image, hold the project will be outlined. Okay, you can see in your image, so that tool will be selected. Close the contour by clicking at the state point. So using the magnetic lasso tool. When you use this tool, the border snap to be as defined areas. Magnetic lasso tool is especially using quickly selecting object with the complex edges set against the high contrast background. Select the magnetic tool, lasso tool. Click on any part of the image to be selected and drag the mouse pointer around the object. Select it. You will find this tool drop fastening point along with selecting. Continues this process till you reach the starting point or double click at the ending point. Now your object will be selected. When you reach the ending point, then double click on your image. Okay, observe the selecting as shown the figure. You can observe from there. Quick selection tool. This tool is used to quick selection. As you drag the mouse, selection expand outward. Find the follow these defined edges image automatically. Quick selection tool is usefully selecting the part of an image which require great precision. Click the quick selection tool. Drag the mouse. Make the desired selection. Okay, if you want to delete your upper part of your image, if your quick selection tool does not appear, tool panel right click on the magic wand tool and select the quick selection tool. Okay, magic wand tool, it used to select the adjacent area of the same color of an image. मीन्स सेम कलर का जो भी आपकी इमेज होगी वो आपकी सिलेक्ट हो जाएगी, वो एरिया पूरा का पूरा सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. क्लिक All the adjacent area pixel having the same color will be started as on the figure. You can see your blue area will be selected. Magic Wand tool option bar display following these tolerance. Determine the color range of the selected pixel. Higher the tolerance, wider will be range is selected. Anti-aliasing produce the smooth edge by partially filling the edges pixel. Contiguous limit the selection to adjacent pixel only. While unchecking the option, all the pixel in the image within the same tolerance range will be selected. Quick view. The Magic Wand tool can make the merge selection if you press Shift key. Selection tool. Next is Move tool. This tool is used to drag a selection part of an image to a new location. Open any image and select the part to be moved using the Marquee Lasso tool. So firstly we select the object, double click on the end of the point. Now our object will be selected. Select the Move tool from the tool panel, press V. Pointer will be changed. While holding the mouse, drag the selecting image, point where you want to place the release the mouse button. Notice the change as on the figure given below. You can see in your image. Cropping tool. Cropping tool means if you want to crop any area of image, it used to select the specified area that you want to focus and remove unwanted part or everything outline selected part. Open any image. Select the crop tool from the tool panel and press C. Pointer change in cropping symbol. While holding the mouse, left mouse button, drag it across the picture, make a rectangle. Release the mouse button when you select the is complete. Selected area, a part of an image within the selection known as cropping area. The area outside the cropped, this is called shield. To finish the cropping process, double click inside the selection, press enter. You will find the selected image is cropped. Photoshop CC provides the variety of crop option in the Photoshop. Perspective crop tool, slice selected tool. Let's now more. Cropping is the process of removing portion of a photo, create the focus state compression. Slice tool is used to drive the image into the multiple rectangle selection called slices. These slices can easily move, resize, align and optimize individually, separately file. After you create the slice, you can select by using slice select tool. Common painting tool in Photoshop CC. Okay, some common tools also available. Adobe Photoshop is basically an image editing and retouching software, but we can also create artwork by using the different painting tool like gradient tool, paint bucket tool and 3D drop tool, 3D material drop tool, etc. Gradient tool. Now we discuss here gradient tool. Gradient tool allow you to fill the area within a range of the color in the specified patterns. It can create the blend of two or more color. Gradient of color can be filled with a linear, radial, angle, reflected and diamond gradient. Open an image with the help of Magic Wand tool. Select with tolerance selected 90. Select the gradient tool from the tool panel. Click on the drop down arrow. Gradient picker, select the desired gradient from the display option. You can also edit the gradient. To do so, right click on the gradient picker from the options bar. The gradient editor dialog box will be appear. Select the Chrome gradient options, click on the OK button. Then now select it the linear gradient from the option bar. Click and drag the mouse pointer in the selected area. Notice that the selected gradient get applied on the selected area. Press the Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection